Hello everyone, it's Crochet Creations with another tutorial, and today I'm going to show you how to do the magic ring and to work single crochet patterns into that magic ring. So start your magic circle ring, wrap your starting tail. You have to wrap like this. Wrap your starting tail around your two fingers over here and have it on the top of each other and then forming the letter X. So you can see over here there is a letter X, and then now grab your hook and then place it underneath over here the bottom yarn, and then twist it, bring it up over here, then place the hook underneath the top yarn, pull through, and this creates a slip knot in that magic ring. And now you can just ready to make single crochet patterns into this magic circle. When you finish making this, you need to make a single crochet over here, insert your hook, and then just grab your hook yarn, and then you have to take a two loops over here. You can see you need to have a two loops and then pull through two loops. So this is your first single crochet patterns. Do this a few more times to make a 6 single crochet. And when you finish making this 6 single crochet into this magic circle, it can be around in amigurumi project. So just continue making this pattern until the end. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and we need to make one more single crochet. Thank you guys for watching my video. See you next time everyone.